Hello kids, today we will learn about the name of animals and their young ones. This is horse. Baby horse called foal. This is elephant. Baby elephant is called calf. This is sheep. Baby sheep is called lamb. This is cat. Baby cat is called kitten. This is kangaroo. Baby kangaroo is called Joe. This is lion. Baby lion is called cub. This is deer. Baby deer is called fawn. This is cow. Baby cow is called calf. This is dog. Baby dog is called puppy. This is goat. Baby goat is called kid. This is monkey. Baby monkey is called infant. This is bat. Baby bat is called pup. This is donkey. Baby donkey is called colt. This is pig. Baby pig is called piglet. This is rabbit. Baby rabbit is called doe. This is fox. Baby fox is called kits. This is duck. Baby duck is called duckling. This is hen. Baby hen is called chick. Like my video, share and subscribe it. Thank you so much.